Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55 in Sangamon County, Illinois. We enter the village of Sherman, which had an estimated population of 4,679 as of 2019. Sherman was platted in 1858 and named for David Sherman, one of 4 men who founded the town, by drawing his name out of a hat. Early settlers in Sherman were primarily Italian and worked in the coal mining industry. Due to its proximity to the state capital of Springfield, the population grew, and today Sherman is home to the Rail Golf Course, a championship 18-hole course. We enter the village of Williamsville. Williamsville was originally laid out in 1853 under the name of Benton. The village was incorporated in 1866. In 2019, Williamsville had an estimated population of 1,485. Here, the northbound lanes of I-55 run directly on the path of historic Route 66. Route 66 ran alongside the railroad tracks, which you may catch a glimpse of on the right. At the next exit, I-55 will veer to the left to bypass the town, as it did a couple of miles back in Sherman. I-55 was built to bypass the towns, but Route 66 went directly through on the town's main street. We'll see similar interstate highway routing at each small town we pass through all the way to Chicago. We enter Logan County, which makes up the Lincoln, Illinois Micropolitan Statistical Area. Logan County has a population of 27,987 as of the 2020 census. Logan County was established in 1839 and named after physician and state representative John Logan. We enter the village of Elkhart, which takes its name from Elkhart Grove, an area of woodland along the Edwards Trace. The grove's name has been attributed to its shape resembling the heart of an elk. The village had an estimated population of 390 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the village of Broadwell, which had an estimated population of 136 as of 2019. Broadwell was platted in 1856 in conjunction with the construction of the railroad linking Chicago and Springfield. The village was named for William Broadwell, the original landowner. Broadwell featured the well-known Pig Hip restaurant, operated by Ernie Edwards and family from 1937 to 1991. The Pig Hip building operated as a museum of Route 66 memorabilia with Ernie Edwards, who was born August 5, 1917, as the host, until the building was destroyed by fire in 2007. Edwards then operated the museum out of his adjacent residence until 2010. Ernie passed away in 2012. At exit 123, we see the southern end of the Lincoln I-55 business loop, which follows historic Route 66 through town. We enter the city of Lincoln, the only town in the United States that was named for Abraham Lincoln before he was president. He practiced law there from 1847 to 1859. Today, Lincoln is home to 2 colleges and 2 prisons. It is also the home of the world's largest covered wagon and numerous other historical sites along the Route 66 corridor. Lincoln had a population of 13,288 as of 2020. We conclude today's video at mile marker 128. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.